Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple and effective way to share a page link using Google Chrome. Whether you're looking to send an interesting article to a friend or share a resource for work, this updated method makes it easy. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. If you haven't already, locate the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and give it a click. This will launch the browser and get you ready for the next steps. Once Chrome is open, navigate to the page you want to share. This could be anything from a news article to a product page. Simply type the URL into the address bar, or use your bookmarks to find the page quickly. Now that you're on the desired page, look towards the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on these 3 dots. This action opens a drop-down menu with various options related to your browsing experience. From this menu, click on Share. This option allows you to access multiple sharing methods directly from Chrome. It's a convenient feature that saves you time compared to copying and pasting links manually. After clicking Share, you'll see several options for sharing your link. You can choose to send it via email, share it through social media platforms, or even copy the link directly to your clipboard for later use. Select where you want to share the link. If you're using an app like Gmail or Facebook, just click on that option and follow the prompts to send your link. And there you have it. Sharing links in Google Chrome is straightforward and efficient. By following these steps: opening Chrome, navigating to your desired page, clicking on the 3 dots, selecting Share, and choosing your sharing method, you can easily connect with others and share valuable content. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on maximizing your browsing experience with Google Chrome. Thanks for tuning in.